Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update or upgrade your iPhone XS Max to iOS 26. So guys, if you want to get iOS 26 to your XS Max device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and now you have to scroll it below and go to general, then software update, and go to automatic updates from here and turn on the toggle for automatically installed. And after this, go back and go to beta updates, and you have to check this to iOS 26 developer beta. Then again go back and now refresh the page, and from here you have to tap on update now. You will get this update. You have to simply tap on update now and your device will be updated to iOS 26. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily update your device from here to the latest version. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.